So does the new Bosch Professional string trimmer have enough power to get the job done? Well, in today's video, I'm going to test it at both low and high power settings, and I'm going to cut some light, medium, and really dense knee-high grass. The string trimmer is the GRT 18V-23, and the brush cutter version is the GFR 18V-23, but they are basically both exactly the same machine, except that the brush cutter version comes with a string trimmer head included in the package. If you want to do some basic edge trimming around the garden, this is what you can expect. Now, these are probably the types of edges that the average homeowner is going to be cutting around their yard. It's that kind of fine, wispy grass that the mower can't get to. And this is cutting at full power, and as you can see, it actually cuts very easily. In this example, I'm cutting some fine to medium grass, starting at low power and then increasing power as I go along. And because this is a variable speed unit, when you need to cut around sensitive areas, having a variable speed trigger and running at low speed is actually quite a nice feature. Here's another example of where I start cutting at half power and then I vary the power as I go along. Here's an example of some slightly thicker and more dense grass cutting, and this requires the use of full power to get through it efficiently. If you want to see a full video review of this machine, including my thoughts and a couple of things that I think you definitely need to know before buying it, I'll leave a link to that separate video also at the end of this video and in the description. And again, here's some edge cutting of slightly thicker grass using full power. And lastly, here is some really thick and tall grass if this is the type of thing that you need to cut. I also want to say thank you very much, and I appreciate you and all of your support. Now, if you are new to the channel and you would like to see more of these videos, please consider using the links in the description, or even just giving the video a like and leaving us a comment, as it's really very much appreciated. So if you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Remember, I will still leave links to the other testing and review videos either on my left or my right here. Hopefully they come up on your device. Otherwise, check them out in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers.